So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. In this video, I will share you latest important updates about Andy Blast coin. This is the newly launched meme coin, very unique meme coin, and this meme coin can be the next 1000x potential meme coin here. Okay, I will share you full details here, so you have to just for the complete. Make sure to like video and subscribe the channel. But first of all, you can see Andy Blast's name and Andy is symbol. Okay, and I remember you that there are too many coins. Okay, for this same name, okay, for same name Andy on base, for same name Andy on Ethereum, but this Andy is working on Blast Chain. Okay, so that's why this meme coin is very unique. $0.3 current price, jump by almost 18% here. Market cap is $36 million, so that's amazing. Market cap awesome. $2.7 million trading volume in last 24 hours, so that's amazing. And first, the most unique thing is supply. You can see 97.5 million coin supply. Okay, all in circulation. You can see 97.5 million coin supply in circulation, so that's amazing. There are no more token left to come in circulation in future, so that's amazing. Coin is facing its first bull run, and that's why this meme coin is unique, because this meme coin is working on Blast Chain. Okay, Blast ecosystem, so that's why very unique, and maybe we can see this meme coin to be the next Bear, to maybe the next Pepe, to be the next Shiba Inu coin for this blockchain here. 28,800 holders. The number of holders are really amazing. Maybe we can see soon number to reach 23,000 here, so that's amazing. Nearly 23,000 holders, so that's amazing friends. You can see Blast ecosystem meme coin. Okay, Blast ecosystem meme coins, that's awesome. Right now we are just 26% down the initial all-time high that was just 12 hours ago, and we are almost 600% up the initial all-time low. Coin has already killed 1-0, and still this meme coin is not listed on any tier 1 exchange. You can see all the dexes, okay, all the Blast dexes where this coin is listed, but still this meme coin is not listed on any centralized exchange. Maybe we can see soon is listing on Gate.io, MEXC, Bybit, okay, or Coinex. These type of central exchanges maybe can list this coin, because already huge market cap, okay, good trading volume. Okay, total supply is good and very unique because of its blockchain. Okay, this blockchain maybe can support this meme coin, and Andy Blast can be the next big meme coin here. Okay, and friends, definitely I think this blockchain can support this meme coin, and maybe we can see Andy Blast market cap up to $1 billion in this coming mega bull here. Also, you can see Andy is a character inspired by Matt Free, the creator of Pepe, Frog, and Brett. Okay, Boys Club comic series. Okay, and this coin, this Andy is now working on Blast Chain, as I already show you. But Andy is already launched on Base and also on Ethereum chain. But this Andy is working on Blast Chain, so that's why this meme coin can be very unique here. Okay, and this character also belong to Matt Free, who is also created the Pepe, Brett, okay, Land Wolf, these type of meme coins characters, so that's why this meme coin I think can be the next big meme coins. Website is also looking good. You can see, you can also check out further details here on their website. Okay, okay, so friends, my price prediction about and Blast coin is that maybe we can see its price from $0.3 to maybe $30 to $50 in this coming mega bull run, because coin is very unique, working on very unique blockchain. Okay, and total supply, max supply is very less here, so that's the reason. That's why maybe this coin can hit maybe $30 to maybe $50 in this coming mega bull run here, and maybe we can see its market cap up to $5 billion to maybe $10 billion here, because blockchain is very unique, as Kukino supported by Avex chain. So maybe in coming months we can see Blast chain to support any Blast. Okay, and make is number one meme coin here. Okay, and first maybe we can see major centralized chain listings also. Okay, maybe I think today or tomorrow MEXC can announce to list Andy coin, or maybe Gate.io, these type of centralized exchanges can soon list Andy coin, because this is very unique meme coin. Why do you think this meme coin has a strong future, and that we can see its market cap up to $1 billion here? Can centralized exchanges just like MEXC, KuCoin will list soon this meme coin or not? You can must comment down below.